Yeah?
Yeah.
Just take your time and have fun?
Yeah.
And then be done?
Yeah.
Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is remove this plastic truss. Most birds come with this. Sometimes they're tied with string, and so then we would cut the string away. Now that the truss is removed, cut between the breast and the drum and then down into the thigh. Pull on that leg and pop that thigh. And I'm going to work the knife around, up along the bones, trying to get as much meat as possible. And then I'm going to pull that leg away. So now that we have the whole legs removed, we're going to remove the breasts. There's a bone that runs down the center here, the keel bone or breastbone, and we're going to come to one side. And I'm working along the cavity of the bird, right along the bone. I'm pulling with my hand, and I'm going to look for that wing joint where the wing and the breast meet. And I'm going to come right over the top and then cut that away. All right, so now we have just the wings left. It's great to leave these to the end because they do provide a nice stable base. There's a tendon right here. We can just come in with the tip of the knife, if it's not breaking for you, and cut it away. First thing we're going to do are the breasts. It's great to, as best you can, leave the skin intact onto each slice you're going to do. If you have a little extra piece here, we can come in and clean it up a little bit. Use the knife. You don't need to push very hard to get through it, because if you start to push, you're going to tear the skin potentially. Just let the knife do the work. So now we're going to transfer this. Again, using the knife, pick it up, and we can arrange that. And then now we will work on the leg portion. You can work down the seam here, and then you can pull it apart, and we'll cut right between the thigh and the drumstick. At this point, we're going to bone out the thigh. So you have one end of the bone here, the other end is here. You're going to take the knife, cut right along the bone, and then you can get in there with your fingers. There's going to be a little cartilage around the hip end that we want to make sure we remove, and you can use the knife to just gently scrape away. And then what we'll do is just cut this into, as best you can, into slices, or you can shred it. It'll kind of shred itself, as you can see. And again, we'll use the knife to transfer. So if this is your first time carving a turkey or a chicken, just use the steps that we went through as far as making it easy on yourself. First, we're going to remove any trusses, whether it's string or plastic. Then we're going to remove the whole leg, the drumstick and the thigh together, then the breast, and then we're going to go back, slice the breast for serving, and then the drumstick and the thigh. Just remember to take your time and have fun with it. Your guests are going to love it.